All right, guys, we're gonna take out the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 on the off-road course. We already did a street drive in this beast, and it is just one of the most fun vehicles that I've driven on the road these days. It just is a monster. It absolutely rips. 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. 470 horsepower, 6.4 liter V8. We've got the roof off, the windows down. We're gonna try not to get too muddy on this drive. And let's see, what are we in? Off-road plus. Traction control off. So we've got a bunch of accessory gauges here. Coolant, oil, temp, trans temp. See what setting the drivetrain is. We're just gonna leave it at 4 high because it's pretty muddy out there today. We can see our pitch and roll angles. And of course, probably the most useful feature, a trail cam, which looks pretty good on this 392 Wrangler. We can see reverse cam, forward-facing cam.
All right, well, since you're in this, now it's a time lap.
Yeah, right, okay. We'll get started.
I'll give him about 30 seconds.
Okay. He said time lap, and I was ready to go. All right, we're here at race car things.
I bet you can't pass him.
Oh, we'll try. There's another alternate route, isn't there? Probably don't need to disconnect any sway bars today.
All right, you're good to go.
All right, cool, thanks. Wait till Charlie's somewhat back in the vehicle.
The proper way to do 392 driving. Oh, let's back up and let the Subaru come out.
I don't know. We're gonna go. We're bigger, faster, stronger, brawnier. Look at this turning radius.
You got it. Your wheels are showing you right where you're gonna be.
Yeah. Crunch. All right.
Or low later to rev up the engine.
I know. So, most capable Jeep ever, fastest Jeep ever, loudest Jeep ever.
Is your traction control on?
Traction control is off.
Good.
I mean, that's probably the most revs it'll see this whole time, but we'll see what we can do.
Peaceful way to go through the woods.
Oh my gosh, yeah, ignore the sound of all the Formula 4 cars racing around Road America, which is where we are at today. We have massive BF Goodrich KO2 35-inch tires on this. What do they call this package? It's like the Xtreme off-road package or something. This is a new wheel tire setup that you can order on your Jeeps.
Not EX, Xtreme.
Recon, all right. So we're on a reconnaissance mission with our 35-inch tires.
$83,000 as tested price. A bumpier ride than the Grand Cherokee.
Yeah, but this feels more at home.
Yeah, it really does.
Yeah, I can really just cruise through all this stuff. These tires are so big that it makes all these rocks just seem like nothing.
Yeah.
It doesn't even care. I'm just gonna run over this one and it doesn't matter.
Good over here.
There we go. Tons of traction from these KO2s.
You get held up by a TRX and a Wagoneer.
It's all right. We did start the stopwatch. It is fun wheeling a Jeep through the woods. I mean, it's just the sight lines, the narrowness. I guess this isn't the narrowest Jeep of all, but
the body feels narrow, though.
It does.
The hood looks compact.
Yeah.
The steering seems light, just by the way it's nice in your fingers. You're just kind of threading it through.
And this is, the turning radius is awesome. We just got it in 4-wheel drive auto. Yeah, this is what it's all about. The smell of burnt mud coming off the exhaust.
Look at that Wagoneer.
Yeah, we're getting a pretty good view of the Wagoneer's 4-wheel drive system.
It's so big.
This thing, you could probably just cut the whole corner.
Just go over the rock.
Yeah. Yeah, Wagoneer looks good out here. Nice articulation.
Right there. Back. There you go. Passenger. Hard passenger. There you go. Right there. Nice and easy.
torque this thing has. It just idles forward.
It just doesn't care.
Yeah, it doesn't care.
Doesn't care about anything.
It's like crawl control, but it's just idle.
Yeah, it's 392 control.
Yeah.
It's like getting a workout back here, balancing
Oh, yeah.
myself.
I've got a steering wheel to hold on to, but you guys, yeah, I guess you're getting jostled around a
Got
little
the
bit more.
passenger seat.
Such a dramatic difference.
So turn it up, turn the exhaust off, and then on. Yeah, pretty big difference.
Proper.
Yeah, good stuff. How we doing on this side? Oh, we got plenty of room.
Up and over a rock over there like it's nothing.
Yeah, didn't care. Got another rock right here. This trail cam is nice.
The little driver and
It's like a little driver and send it.
drive it straight through.
Cool. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, and our tires probably aren't even aired down in this. Let's see if we can see. Yeah, we've got 34 PSI on all four corners. So the fact that it rides as well as it does at street pressures is pretty impressive. Definitely noticing a difference in the traction on the mud between these KO2s and the pretty much highway passenger tires we had on the Grand Cherokee L in
Yeah,
our
we're not
last
getting any
video.
of that lateral slip.
No.
I'm gonna try maybe a 4-low acceleration pull on this straighter section,
Yeah, we could.
just to
Put
get
the windows up.
Get the engine to rev.
You got to get your hand positioning right for the. All right, so
All four
neutral. 4 low. There we are. There we are. Auto park disabled. Let's run the wiper just a little bit. Okay, 4 low is more fun than 4 high. We'll leave it there. We're fully enclosed now, aren't we?
We are.
Oh my gosh, we can have some fun. Yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah. I want to drive this in 4 low everywhere. Downtown.
Yeah, did you manual shift this when you were driving it?
I did, and it was quite sluggish.
Yeah.
I mean, he's just like,
It
just
eats
idle
limber
through.
when you're doing the
Yeah.
manual shifting.
Just, I'm not even
kinda what
pushing the accelerator. We're just idling at this point.
Rasputin navigating us. through
Yeah.
here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rasputin.
I mean that in the kindest of ways.
Yeah.
This is just the best Jeep ever.
It really is. It
It's
is
so
just
good.
a hoot and a half. And it seems to handle the higher speed stuff pretty well too. Interesting to watch the traction control on the Wagoneer here through this articulation situation. Look at that, it's lifting a wheel.
Yeah, pretty sturdy.
Yeah, let's take the high ground. Yeah, he's like, go right. There we go. There we are.
Take a look at our anglies here.
Yeah. Easy.
He's like,
There
go
we
way
go.
up.
Come
way
on up. Come
way
on
up.
up. Awesome. Only 14 degrees. There we are. True Jeep guy right there. He knows what's happening. Okay, this might be the most fun off-roader I've ever driven. Just for that. And this guy's like, don't spray me, please.
You been over the rocks yet, over the hill?
Yes.
Okay, just don't launch it.
No, we won't.
As soon as he's clear, you guys can go.
Cool. Great.
Thank you.
Having fun?
Oh yeah.
Having a great
I can
time.
tell.
This thing is this is a riot. This
I know,
Jeep
these
is
things are just
insane.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, okay, you're clear. Have fun.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
No one has told us to be careful once on this off-road course. I like that.
I love how this thing just like snorts and barks and like.
They did
it's
such a
so
good job with the exhaust tuning.
Did. It's just savage.
I bet you could come to a stop up this hill and still just crawl on it.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, are we ready? Full spray?
Until we do it.
Do it. Send it.
I don't know, the braking zone and with the guy in front of us is a little bit iffy. I don't want to. All right, here we are. I also don't want to spray him.
I was
too.
gonna say, if it weren't for him, I'd say just hang it out. Oh, okay. He's laughing.
Now we can do pedals. It's like a track day off-road.
Yeah. Rallycross. Chris's back is fully recovered from the dune, so it's now time to put it out of whack
Oh my
again.
gosh. Yeah, this feels pretty good out here.
Spin it. Need second gear.
We need third.
Chris doing it rally car style with the hand in the middle. 400, 4 right.
Downshift.
Downshift. Ooh, this is an acceleration section.
Oh man. I think drive is probably the best mode. It's too much shifting. Get the cooling fans running now.
That person up there is trying to have a nice peaceful drive in the Wagoneer, and he just has us
That's
behind
not
him.
gonna happen. Alright.
Hooligans.
Cool. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I thought this was just going to be like a Ram TRX and a Jeep, but it's so much more. This is the most aggressive exhaust I've heard from anything with this engine in it.
Yep.
It's just a monster. It's hilarious. And the fact that you can put everything down, top off, and really just listen to it all is phenomenal.
Stroke cam staying on this one for a while. 25 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Nicely done.
Okay. We'll go this way, alright?
Keep the grass from getting too wore out, I guess.
Guess we probably shouldn't. I'm just gonna leave it at 4 low because that's what everyone should drive this in. What a thing. What a thing. First gear in the 4 low does 10 miles an hour. Everyone's like, what is this idiot doing?
Three Stooges.
Just silly. We'll just leave it pointed straight. Okay. All right, well, end it on that note.
Yeah,
Cool.
Good one to wrap with.
We're gonna head home. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. All right, guys. See you later. We'll do one more walk around on this thing. Pretty freaking cool. For smiles alone, I think it's worth the price tag. Trail cam's keeping nice and clean too.